guys, I'm Tyson Cars and Bikes, and we've been the last 2 nights here in Podgorica, which is the capital of Montenegro. Very beautiful small city. Really enjoyed my stay. So this means 2 nights means I had 1 non-riding day yesterday, exploring the city. It was very nice, as you can see on the pictures. And today we will push on across the country from Montenegro to Albania. And our destination for today is a city at the southwest coast of Albania. It's called Vlora, which should also be very nice. So let's see how this goes. Starting the ignition, Benelli comes to life, and you see we have now total 4,400 kilometers already on the new bike. Let's see how the adventure continues. I'm excited. Okay guys, let's start the ride to Vlora. This should be about 300 kilometers today, and no highway, only twisties, as always guys, as always. Okay guys, I need a quick visor clean, and also maybe stop over there. Better. Ooh, what a nice bike! What a nice bike in the mirror, in the window mirror. Hello, hello. Perfect, 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 perfect. So we need, guys, maybe a bit more back, even more perfect. We need a bit of visor clean, and also I have to show you that I have this big Duratec waterproof 90-liter bag here on my socio seat, and normally I love it because you can lean on it. It's like a backrest. Very nice. You can lean here. But today, actually yesterday already, I thought I packed it better today. It's a bit uneven, so I have a lot of here. I think my big sleeping bag is here, but it stops. But here is nothing. So it's so I lean like you know, not good. I have to open and readjust. Horny again, huh? Everybody's so horny in this country. Map. Okay, visor clean, but let's check the rest, the back rest. Still not perfect guys, but better. What is this? Mirror clean. Mirror clean a bit. Yeah. Actually guys, never clean the mirror like this, because if it's dirty, you have some dust or sand on the mirror, you do like this, you will make scratches, a lot of scratches in the mirror. But I just cleaned the mirror with some cloth and water, so I know it is very clean, but there was just a little bit of something, so I could use my thumb here to clean this. Okay, let's push on. We did today already 8 kilometers. Man, what an adventure. Let's go on as soon as possible. Come on, go. Now we have 12 kilometers. It's not going so well today, because you remember in the last episode I changed my SP Connect handy mount for this Kappa clunky thing here to mount my mobile phone. And now I'm really not long on the road, but now my iPhone shut off because I don't know if you can read it. It's on again, but it just shut off because of temperature. Too hot, because it got a little bit of sun, but it's not so hot. But actually I have the thick jacket on, and it's I mean the air has like 21-22 degrees Celsius, but the sun is strong. And yeah guys, navigation with mobile phone is not good. I'm learning slowly but surely, because I never did it because I thought it's not good, and I always had proper navigation systems like TomTom or Garmin or something like this. Yeah, but now with this new Benelli bike, and I didn't want to right away to buy an expensive navigation system for this bike, because also I didn't know if I will own this bike very long time and so on. And I thought, yeah, why not navigate with the iPhone? I mean, everybody seems to do that nowadays, but it's really not good, man. So now let's try if we can unlock. There we go. 270k to Vlora, Albania. Let's try again. Let's go, go, go. Can we jump down here? Woo. Yes, can. Yes, we can. So nice people in Montenegro. I mean, you find nice people everywhere. But I feel, being a German, I feel as soon as I leave Germany, the people get nicer normally. But maybe that's just a feeling. Yeah, so. But I think the Germans are, in general, are very grumpy. You know, like they cannot show their warm hearts so easily. But in Balkan, same Croatia, but in Montenegro, they can show their warm heart very easy, I think. That's very enjoyable here, very enjoyable. See the old guys on the table. Nice, nice, nice. Go, go, go. Oh, brake, brake, brake. Ooh, another nice church. The people on the road, walking on the road. Nice view to the right. Really? No, no, no. But I think yes, yes, yes. Let's go there. I've seen already a little sneak peek. Wow, that's beautiful. There's a lot of rubbish here. That's not so beautiful, but. Ooh, ho, 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 ho. Very nice view. That was well worth this 30 seconds off the road here. Man, nice place here. Very nice place. Turn the heavy bike here is not easy. We'll just not go backwards, but forward is also not good. Going steep down there, steep down. Now it goes a bit better backwards. Turn, turn. Bit by bit, little by little. Back, front, back, front, like a whip, you know, whipping. You need always the momentum. Take the momentum with the bike. Play with the bike, with the physics, with the weight. Go back and forward. Now go back. And now go forward. And go, go, go. Look at this area. What a landscape. What a wet, swampy landscape. Looks amazing. Probably mosquitoes love it. But I love it too. At least to watch it, to look at it. What a view! Wow, 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 wow. Guys, we did 24 Ks, 24 clicks today. Maybe 20 minutes on the bike and already stunning views. Amazing. Man, this little country Montenegro is a gem. It's a true pearl of a country. I love Montenegro. Love Montenegro. Guys, border already. Look at this landscape here at the border from Montenegro. You see the sign there, Montenegro goodbye, into, but maybe I have to get my passport first, huh? Let's see how this goes. You need a passport?
Document, motor, passport.
Okay, can I stop there? Need a moment. Heppa. Okay guys, this was the border Montenegro to Albania already. I didn't expect it so soon, and that means actually, now cannot see on the navy, we should be really near Lake Shkodra, or actually on the right side. This is already Lake Shkodra. Let's go. Yes, that one. I think so. Last time when I was in Albania 11 years ago with my motorbike, back then the BMW 1150 GS Adventure, I put my tent at the camping place next to Lake Shkodra. Albania! Hello! Go! Yeah, but that doesn't look really like Lake Shkodra, huh? I'm not sure. Let's see. Go. There you see Shkodër, Tirana. Oh, now we got the truck. Man. Just crossed the border, looking different already. Here. Oh, sheep. Oh, an acre. Looks like private acre, huh? Yeah. And many sheep. There's the police guy. See already? Always hanging on the road. There behind you can see Shkodra Lake. And here a very dry river valley. Oh. Have a look at this thing. Palace, Royal Palace Hotel. Have a look. Wow. Man, like from another planet. Looks amazing, no? Whoa. Hello. Oh. Let's turn. Turn. Yo. And then you see the mermaid. See the mermaid there. Mermaid on a dolphin. Wow. What a picturesque place here. Crazy. But we have another destination. We need to go. Ui, see the bears and the wolves. What is this? Wolf. I thought it's bear, but it's wolf. Woo! Howling wolf and howling BENELLI TRK. Crazy street file. Thrown all the rubbish or what? Look at this horse car. I remember this like 11 years ago when I was in Skoder, like crazy city, and they had all these horses and the horse cars, but not like tourist attraction like in Vienna, but like, I mean, like real transport vehicles. So now we have to go, already missed the exit on this roundabout. Man, crazy city, Skoder. Crazy town. There, postcard again. And now, yes. Wow, look at this. Like a slum. People living here in these easy huts and tents. Hello. How are you? Ciao.
Me quiero.
I have no.
Me quiero.
Hab nichts dabei. I don't have. I'm sorry. Hello. Hello. Hey.
Alles
No,
gut?
I need. Alles gut.
Bei dir?
Hello. Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Gut.
I have to go.
Ven a ver.
I have to go.
Oh, ven a ver.
I don't have. Sorry.
Please. Ay, gas.
No. No.
Please, sí, gas.
No.
I am a book.
What?
Yes.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, what a river! Actually, first riverbed with water inside. I've seen very dry riverbeds here in Albania, but this one, lots of water. Good. Whoa. Crazy, I tell you. Okay guys, big gas station. Time for gasoline and maybe coffee. Maybe espresso italiano. Yeah, maybe coffee here later, and first some gasoline. Let's check. Hello. Okay guys, no fuel here for us because only cash, no card. And my plan, as I will not stay so long in Albania, is to have no cash and only pay by card, because I don't want to get the Albanian cash for only 2 or 3 days I'm here and then I don't need it anymore. So let's check next one. Let's try the next gas station here. But maybe ask first, huh? If there is somebody. Sorry, can I pay by card?
Card? No.
No card?
No. Euro?
Where can I pay with the card?
Shape of Vlora.
Will come. How many kilometers?
2 kilometer.
Okay, super. Thank you. Okay, let's try the next. Hello. Can I pay by card?
No.
No card. Where can I pay with a card? Ah. But they tell me no card and say here. Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Number 4, gas station number 4. Can pay with the card here or cannot. Hello. Can I pay by card?
No card.
No card.
Euro, look.
Can I pay there somewhere? You have a big gas station, can pay by card? Not sure. Okay, I try. Thank you. Ciao. Hello.
Hello.
Can I pay with a card?
Cash.
Cash. Can I pay with euro?
Sí, no problem.
It's okay.
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 Scusa.
Huh?
Euro.
Euro.
Sì. 1 e 1 lek. Capito?
No.
Uno. Questa. Lek. Capito?
Yes.
Euro.
Okay.
1. Hai capito?
Okay. So. Okay guys, finally we got fuel, full tank, but no card. Five gas stations checked and 5 gas stations only take cash, but they take euro and they give back Albanian lek. So it is as it is, no problem. Let's go on. What a road! Woohoo! Nice riverbed. Wow. Wow. Guys, I really need some coffee now also. Oh yes guys, look at this. This looks good, no? Super. Man, This was the last more than 100 kilometers. Super boring, not nice, only highway-like roads, very long, very straight, but then always again 50 and 40 and 60 and 90 and 40 again, and always police standing here and there, and very tiring and not nice landscape and not nice road. So actually, let's have a coffee. And it's 80 clicks to Vlora, our destination for today. So soon come. Okay, let's try this cappuccino. Oh yes, actually good cappuccino. Good. Cappuccino, helmet, and the Benelli waiting for next adventure. Okay guys, cappuccino, check. New battery for GoPro camera, check. And now 80 clicks to Vlora. Let's go as soon as possible. Come on. Go. Finally, we lost this super bad road and have something more interesting to see here. Stop. Super slippery here, the asphalt, the tarmac, super slippery. Very careful guys, very careful. Almost like ice. You think of braking and the ABS is already engaging. Guys, even more slippery this road. You catch? Yes, get second gear. Easy power oversteer. No clutch use. Man, very slippery. Careful. Guys, honestly, nice Jeep. That looks like 50s ahead, no? Or is it only one corner? But still slippery asphalt, huh? Yeah. Brake test? Oh no. Actually braking good here, but was only one corner. Whoa! Nice. Look at this bridge. Wow. Big river. Old bridge. Picturesque in the sunlight. 14 clicks to Vlora, and finally guys, we got some twisties again. Okay, just get that. Twist is over, straight line again. Now we talk. Look at this, sunlight, great weather. I mean, we had great weather all day long, but the riding was not so funny the last 200 clicks, the last 200 kilometers, but this is beautiful. Finally guys, we got our twisties back. Yes. What a panorama here. Wow, that looks awesome. The left, look on the left here. This little church on the mountain. How picturesque is this? Out. Nice, nice, nice. This down there must be Vlora, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure this is Vlora. Or Vlorë, I don't know how to say. Okay guys, we arrived at our destination. Have a look here. Man, I mean, they really have to work on their destinations for the TomTom or for the navigation systems. I put the address from the booking.com, but as you can see, nothing to see, nothing to see. Same yesterday. Let's search again, but not easy without internet connection, you know. No guys, no bueno here, but we are too far for sure. I hope so. I mean, that's not what I booked. At least it looked different. The pictures on the booking.com look different. Let's see. Go. Okay guys, now we talk. I think this here on the right side, honestly, I remember this looks like in the booking.com pictures. These buildings here on the left. Probably. Let's go there. Let's have a nice sea view first and then check the rest, huh? Whoa! That looks amazing here. That looks amazing. Amazing. I have to check. I forgot the name of the apartment, so I have to check in the phone. But perfect spot, no? Perfect spot. I think this is one of these apartments is for me, probably. Let's see. Probably one of these. Wow. Guys, on the search for the apartment, but have a look here. Is this not super cool? Nice beach. Nice. Super cool. Looks super cool. But where is the B4? You know, letter B and then number 4. B4 dusk apartments. Let's search. Let's have a look here. We see that we see nothing. Maybe somewhere. Man, have a look. The BENELLI at the beach in Albania. Nice. Okay guys, check-in done. Welcome to my new flat. We have, I'll show you, little kitchen, living room, table, TV, sofa, balcony in a minute. Have some, where is the light? Have some bathroom, nice shower. Have some, hello. Have some bedroom, nice view. And of course we have a little balcony. Very nice look here. Wait. And then you can see, have first of all, nice view. I mean, as you can see, is a mountain view because the sea is just on this side, on the other side of the building. You've seen this already. And here we have the mountain view. And we have the BENELLI view. and we have right there opposite a nice restaurant. And with this picture, guys, this was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for the video, and very important as always, click the subscribe button down there. Click, 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 subscribe my channel, and you will get more of this content. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Finally, guys, we got our twisties back. Yes.